Ekdam Shah from Naratva Naturals. So today again I'm back with a new product launch, that is moisturizing sunscreen with SPF 50. So let's get started. But before that, as you can see, I have not washed my face. So now first I'll be cleaning my face with Desi Gulab Rosy facial mist, and then I'll be applying sunscreen. This is Desi Gulab Rosy facial mist. So I'll be cleaning my face with this. In summers, I like to clean my face with Desi Gulab Rosy facial mist. I'll keep this for about 2 minutes right now, and then I'll wipe it off with a tissue. So just slightly rub like this, so that it gets absorbed faster under the skin. Now I'll take a tissue and just clean it off my face. See the glow on my face. This is Naratva Naturals moisturizing sunscreen with SPF 50. So now I'm going to use this. First I'll be showing you on my hand. As you can see, this is pearl white in color and it's in a creamy form. It is made up with shea butter, carrier oils, essential oils and aloe vera gel. So now I'll be taking a little amount of this. You can use this on hand and body and on face also. I'll be taking a little quantity. You can take it as per your requirement. And just rub it like this. Slowly it will start getting absorbed under the skin. As you can see, it has started getting absorbed now. This product you have to apply it in the morning during daytime. Before stepping out in the sun, before 20 minutes you have to apply this on your face, and then you have to step out in the sun. And when you are indoors also, you can you can apply it and keep it in the morning when you take bath, or whenever you wash your face. You can apply this sunscreen during daytime and just keep it. It will help you to protect your skin from harmful sun rays. This cream will give you UVA and UVB protection from sun. As you can see, it is absorbed under my skin and it is giving shine also. So now I'm going to use this product on my face. You have to just take a little quantity of this and apply it on face like this in dot forms. Whenever you apply this product on your hand or on your body or on your face, you will feel very cool. It has cooling properties. Can you see the shine and glow on my face after applying this sunscreen? And my face is feeling very moisturized and it is feeling very cool, and it has an amazing smell. You have to use it daily during summers. Have happy summers. Thank you.